Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change wallpapers in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings. Then go to wallpapers and style and click on wallpapers and these are all the system wallpapers. Just select any one. Okay. So here I am selecting this wallpaper and click on apply and here click on home screen and this wallpaper will be applied in home screen. Okay, see the changes. Home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. Again go to the settings, then go to wallpapers and style and click on wallpapers and select any other wallpaper. Here I am selecting this wallpaper and click on apply and it will ask whether it is to be applied in lock screen or home screen or home and lock screen. Okay, I click on lock screen. So this wallpaper will be applied only in lock screen. See the changes. Okay. Suppose if you would like to set your photo as wallpaper for lock screen or home screen or both, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpapers and style, go to wallpapers and go to album and select any photo from your local gallery. Okay, I have selected this photo and click on apply and now this time I select home and lock screen so that this wallpaper will be applied on both home screens and lock screens. Okay, click on OK and click on the colors here and see the changes. Home screen as well as lock screen wallpapers have been changed to what I have selected. Okay, suppose if you would like to use any downloaded wallpaper, yes, you can do it. Again go to the settings, then go to wallpapers and style, go to wallpapers and click on more wallpapers here and here you can download some wallpapers from the internet. Okay, I click on it and click on apply, so it will be downloaded, but to use it you have to use Oppo account. Okay, click on sign in with Google and it will be asking your email to sign up. Okay, if you have already account, just to use that account using phone number. Okay, otherwise use sign in with Google. Okay, click on apply and it will ask whether you to choose lock screen or home screen or both. I have selected both now and it is setting up. See the changes. Wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. So in this way you can easily change to any wallpaper in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.